I'm using ChatGPT to code a convolutional neural network for algo trading. As you can see here, we built a GRU, which is a gated recurrent unit for algo trading, and it did really well. So what I want to go ahead and do is do the same thing, but I want to use a convolutional neural network, or better, easier said, a CNN. So I went ahead and I explained what I was going to do here. If I go over to my Twitter really quickly, and I said I'm really pushing ChatGPT today, going to see if I can make a gated recurrent, or a GRU, and a CNN to predict future crypto price based on past data. And that's what we're doing. It's pretty awesome. And I do encourage you, even if you don't know how to code, follow along, because at the end of the day, I didn't know how to code either. And I just knew if I could automate my trading, I would trade much better. So let's go ahead, and first things first, we need to get some data in here. And luckily I have the 1 minute data for crypto, for BTC specifically, and I can actually get it for any crypto. So if you need it, just let me know. Let's go ahead and call this a convolutional NN, and then I'll pull that data into here. And excuse my loud gulping, I am drinking coffee and a smoothie, because this is what I actually do in the day-to-day, and I thought it'd be very helpful to show you exactly how I do this. So let's go ahead and say, hey, please build me a CNN to predict the next period's price in Bitcoin. Here is some sample data. Here is a sample of my data. And like I said, this is minute data, very hard to get, but we have it. And let's go ahead and copy this, copy, paste, and let's see what it does. Too many requests in 1 hour. Okay, well, that's too bad. How can I fix this? Well, maybe I'll jump on a VPN really quickly. I heard that works. And then I'm gonna refresh here. No internet. Let's try ChatGPT. So I can't wait to pay for ChatGPT because I do push it too hard. Let's go ahead and hit refresh a few times to see if this works. We'll get in there. ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and try it in a different tab here. There we go. Boom, we're back. Build me, or code me, a CNN that predicts the next period's price for Bitcoin. Below is some sample data I will use. Paste it in there. Too many requests in an hour. Okay, well, it looks like ChatGPT doesn't work anymore for me, so what should I do? Oh, you know what I can do? I'll try to log in with a different username. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a good example of how to get around the system, I suppose. Now it's saying we're at capacity again. So let's go ahead and just keep working at it. ChatGPT, I guess it is 10:30 a.m., which is 9:30, which reminds me that the market is about to open. So I do want to watch this. ES1, looks like it's bouncing a little bit. Tiny bit. DXY going up. So that means dollar goes up, assets usually go down. But I'm not here to predict. I'd rather have machine learning predict for me. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna get in there. Just gonna keep trying until we're in there. and we will get in. I'm just gonna keep opening into a new tab. I think everybody's trying to get in right now. This is wild to me though, that there's a product that goes down like this. By the way, here's my boot camp where I show you exactly how to algo trade step by step. If you do get a little behind in this video, I totally understand. It's because I fly through things. But here I actually teach it. There's a link for that below. And my Twitter is moondevonyt. I do post a lot of good stuff there, so we're gonna get in here. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna log in with a different account because